Delhi University College, where guys were coming with Mercedes also, and we were going through bus. We can afford bike, but we were going through bus, and someone not even able to afford AC bus, they are coming through the normal bus. There are different categories.
Hmm. Right,
We can
right.
see the Hindi honors and English honors. The crowd are total different. Hindi honors and English honors. They are they will sit together. They are not able to sit and talk together. But but what I personally, I have not seen any discrimination on the basis of uh, kapda, on the basis of uniform. I have seen the discrimination on the basis of uh, uh, the language, the diction. The most happens in Delhi. The diction thing. People make
So
fun of diction, even with
I told you one
fat or
example,
thin
Prince.
or yeah.
uh, in my college there are two groups. It's divided in two groups. Few strength were
Mhm,
from Delhi and few are from
mhm,
majority of UP. So all the
mhm,
female who are from that UP, they are very sincere in studying, or you can say not a sincere, but they have their own group of
introvert.
UP
We can say
females,
intro.
and that again, yes, and that girls who are from Delhi, so they have a their group from Delhi, like their society, they hang up together. The Delhi girls called UP girls BTM.
What?
BT, I forgot that, बहनजी टाइप कुछ करके एक आगे उन्होंने लगाया हुआ था.
Okay.
So this is that example which I am telling you, because it happened. If that, because they have their different mind, set of mind, they groom up in this scenario. And if I will talk about my scenario or your scenario, I am sure that are same. So we groom up as if that we all are same, and speak everyone, be polite, and I don't know that they are from which, how they groom up. So they never talk to their like classmates as well. So and
This is
all
so very
were
common. We
so.
always talk with this same type of people we know. I have not judged anyone with because I do theater. I have never judged anyone on the basis of looks, caste, religion, or dress. But I have never talked to everybody in my class. Never, even in this batch also. So that's and if we will do this
Let's hear it
compulsory
from
thing in
Vinamrata.
management.
She hasn't spoken, like, I believe. Vinamrata.
Sir, I wanted to ask Prince, like in when a group perform in anywhere, they
Mhm.
follow a same trend of dress. So
In street play, yeah.
why it is necessary, or what is the theme behind that?
It is not necessary to wear the same thing. It is just because the to make it different from audience, because audience is wearing colorful dresses. There is no uniformity in audience dresses. So the performers are different. That can be more bright color or anything. It is never the people wear black kurta, that they have made this thing black kurta, but it is not compulsory, not at all, in any sort of theater or anything that goes with your theme, that can be the part of the play. If I am wearing normal cloth and I am making fun of anyone in on the street, he will give me back, he will slap me if I'll make any fun wearing this shirt. But if I'm putting some makeup or I have wear the kurta and he knows that I'm an artist, I'll make fun, he will also laugh on that. So that is for all these reasons.
Okay.
Would you like to add
Because
anything? I
we
mean,
have
like,
seen.
you just asked a question.
Sir, I just asked this because it's like we have to show a uniformity, a discipline in the sense.
Yeah,
Like we
a
can
team.
identify people, we can identify a team.
Yeah.
So rather taking it like in other way, like in masters or in bachelors, we should not have this dress code. maybe there is a theme of uniformity. Is there like there are we have so many people around of every culture and what we say
Different background.
that
People come
yes,
from,
a different background and culture,
yes, people come from different corners.
different corners to make them free from other thing like what they have to wear the next day. It's like a dress, a uniform has been created so that they must be when they are on a platform they must sorry they can only share their thoughts. They don't have to bother about their appearance. And in later stage when there is a uniform or there is a dress code, it's only to make you feel like professionally you are confident enough to deliver the speech, or you can give your presentation in a very concise manner. So I believe like uniform some not every time, but it sometimes gives a confidence in a person, like yes, he is well dressed and he can deliver anything.
So do you find like uniform is quite expensive? I mean, like people have to bear unnecessary expenses just to get the uniform and all, as Sanchit was trying to convey, and that was a burden on
So
everyone.
Sorry.
I mean, like one of the speakers said that that the uniform was a kind of burden. Like you had to buy certain things, and like again, after like spending a huge amount on the education, then the second thing that you need to take care, you need to buy sort of things that you have to wear every day and all. So the people should be allowed to wear anything. I mean, regardless of certain restrictions.
But to make them to come on one platform and feel like they all are equal, it is like okay, rather than bothering every day or after 1 month, like I am wearing the same clothes, I have to buy and I have to do this lots of shopping. So they might spend much more instead of spending one at a time.
Okay, let's hear some other points. Who else want to say?
Sir, yes, sir.
Satyam, go on.
Hello. Sir, am I audible, sir? Yes, sir.
You are audible, but
Sir,
you have
I
got a
think
very
Yes,
unique
yes.
digit. Do update and mention your name, like instead of 6842D903. That is your secret code.
yeah. Sir, actually, every day I install Zoom in the evening, and
You do it
that's
every
why
day.
I didn't make any account with Zoom.
Okay, you do it
Yeah,
every
every
day.
day I download from the Play Store and then again. Yeah,
So do you really have very
yeah,
secret
sir.
data in your phone?
No. For me, it's a secret. I don't want anyone to see my data. Maybe, sir, I think, I don't think it's any problem for me as data issue is. It takes
Has it
just 2 minutes,
has
1 year, 2 minutes.
has anyone used any other app like Zoom? Like people are talking about Google Meet. If anyone has used it,
I've used Skype. Everyone has used it.
um, any idea about the like Google Meet? Like I
No, sir.
believe the not much.
Ravi knew. He was saying one day.
Google Meet.
He is not here, but yeah, he was saying his meetings
And,
or
Dhar-
office work are taking place on Google Meet.
and Dharmesh, I think, also shared the same. Yes.
All
He
right. Let's
suggested
hear
that kind.
Satyam
Yeah.
what he has. Then we will listen to Sonia and then we'll go on. Satyam,
Sir,
continue.
as everyone, yes, sir. As Sanjit and Brahmta was saying that it's good to have dress code in the college. As I get from what they were saying, certainly it's a good thing. But first, we need to understand that school is not a place for doing modeling or any like modeling like things. You don't need to show your other social status. You just need to come and learn the things, because it's not a place to show your what's your background is. It's a place to learn something and live with others and in harmony. So first we need to understand that education is totally different from what the modeling other thing is. It's not a way to show your social status. Apart from that, if you look at a developed country, in developed country there is no dress code. The reason is that inequality is very less in developed country. If there is inequality in less, then certainly if you have, you don't need to show anything, because in India inequality is very high. A lot of developing countries inequality is very high. There is a drastic change. People are the race of the people are very different. That's why to bring what we say in uniformity in school, government introduced the dress code. And why we introduce dress code in the only school? Because we know that what children learn in the childhood period, they have a lot of impression in their future work and the future thinking. Child just observe things. If child is a 2 or 3 years old, 5 years old, what parents is doing, they just watch and imbibe that things in their life. If parents is doing something wrong, then certainly child will learn something wrong. That's why the reason is that in school and college there is some uniform, so child can't know that there is inequality in our society. There is a lot of differences in society, and if they start knowing in that child period, then certainly it will create a lot of problem. Like it will create social conflict also, and it will lead to disharmony. And that's why I think in college, I think due to the expression, we all know that we are a liberal country, so we need to show what I want to wear. As a liberal country, we want to wear anything. So government is saying that let's go after 12 you can have without dress code you can go to college. Government is not imposing anything because they think that they are mature and they know things what is happening outside. If you put dress code, ultimately they will know what kind of inequality is in our society, so certainly they can understand better. So that's why I think dress code is very good for the child who is studying in class till class 10 or 12, because this brings harmony in our society. This brings a good impression in the mind of the child who is going to become the future leader of a country. So it's a good point for developing country and least developed country.
So you support
But not
dress
for
code in
developed country.
you support dress code in schools,
Not in colleges.
Yeah,
but what about in colleges?
yeah, not in college.
What is wrong in college?
I think it's no, sir. Actually, it's totally depend on the individual. I think college you become 18 years old. In India, you have right to vote after 18 years old. So how government can say that you need to do this thing and that thing? It's a democracy
God-
country. It's a liberal country.
It is government who decides what to do, what not to do.
No, sir.
Constitution.
Sir,
We
not
have
directly.
we have limitation for driving. We have limitation working in bar. We have limitation for getting a driving license. We have limitation for age limitation for marriages. Like for everything, the age has been fixed.
Yeah, sir. The reason is that people become mature after 18 years. Sir, if anything happened by the government, then certainly this come by some research and some collaboration and what you say, a lot of thinking happened before that.
So
Anything
Satyam, do you think that
after
after
that,
18 year of age, a student is able to handle that inferiority complex?
Certainly a student will not handle the inferiority complex, because most part of the student is spent outside of college. I think in college you will spend only 5-6 hours. So most of the part you will be outside of the college and you will see a lot
Bro,
of things.
we spend most of the time in colleges. If we will calculate, then that less time, because if you are staying in hostel, leave the hostel.
Yeah.
If I will talk about that, when I go to college, when I was doing MBA, so I used to take bus around 6 o'clock in morning, 6 or 7,
Yeah.
and came back around 7 o'clock at home in evening. So around 12 hours. Apart from the college, there are again some of distance which I was
Actually,
covering through bus. So it's around
Actually, it's
11
depend
or
on the
12 hours,
courses
12
you
hours.
are pursuing.
Because from
No,
9:30 to 5:30 was my class. I
No, if you are saying
remember.
that, if you are saying that there should be a dress code in college also, then again other person will come and say that everyone should wear some kind of dress in whole life. You will start saying that my neighbor will wear this clothes or that clothes. Certainly, it's not a good idea, because after 80, you can decide the government. Then why you can't decide your dress and what you can eat and what you can do? It's totally depend on you as a rational individual person, because we are living in the
Mhm.
we are going to become the individualistic society, not collectivistic society.
But Satyam, in most of the government schools, if you talk about MCDs and other government schools, or
Yeah,
especially at primary level or villages, you will hardly find any dress code.
yeah.
When it comes to
The
the dress
government
code,
in
The-
Bihar, uh, sir,
then you when it comes
Bihar
to the
government.
dress code is only in like private schools, I would say, which is
no, no,
majorly
no, no,
Sir,
no.
focused.
actually, sir, if you talk in Bihar, if you see the situation of Bihar, government every year provides the money to the student to buy the dresses.
Exactly.
Every year it's come and every student is getting benefit, but they are not wearing the clothes because of the administrative reason.
Do we have any
There is a
dress code
low
in MCD schools in
accountability in
Delhi?
the school.
I'm not sure
Yeah,
about it.
yeah,
I have
yeah.
no idea about the
In
MCD school, but I
MCD
have idea
plus
about.
Delhi government, both have dress codes, and government gives the fund to buy dress.
Good. I mean, at least the
Yes, sir.
people are
In
getting.
Bihar also, I think there is a blue shirt and, sir, there is a green shirt and blue pant. I think something like
But the
this.
color is not
In Delhi
important. I mean,
also
if you have
sky
it,
blue
In Bihar
shirt and
also.
dark blue.
let's hear it from Sonia. Like she has been listening to
Yes, sir.
us.
But it is happening.
Hmm. Let's let her say something. Sonia, can you
So,
hear us?
for according to me, sir, my voice is okay, sir. Better.
Yes, you're
Am I
audible. Go
audible?
on. Yep, yep. Go on.
Hello.
Yes.
We
Yes,
all
sir.
can hear you. Go
Sir,
on.
according to me, sir, according to me, means in school dress code uh, is means it's good to be that children wear dresses
Mhm.
as there need to be a dress code there because they are not means not able means in children means if this kind of contradiction she wears better than me and I wear not better than or this contradiction or education that it means development of child is going to be in bad means bad way but in college time means its choice whether the school or college will provide a dress code or not means in college as Satyam said ki we are much mature to know what is good for us and what is bad for us and as Sanchit counters him he means what if means how can we handle our feelings of insecurity and comparison so it's a part of development mean in college time or in our means journey of life we have to develop these kind of things means because in future time when we go out of the college we need to face these kind of things as well and in college time the focus need to be there ki we have to develop that quality so that we are able to uh, label ourselves in upper category as we are in so according to me the focus need to be there and the people who are comparing us means this kind of culture is there as Prince said he was in Delhi University college and colleges don't have this kind of cultures to showing some person down so it is a false statement I'm not to agree with him because human is a tendency to comparing himself to other and prove him better than the mother the other person. Means might be the reason were different, might be they have some their personal issues, and might be he is comparing because he is thinking that he are below and have lesser quality than the other person, but he is going to insult the person who in this way कि I have luxurious car or
Guys,
I have
we
this
have
and I have
only
that.
1 minute. We are going for the final round or conclusion that we can talk about. So
So
let's
sir,
let's complete
yes.
in 1 minute. Sonia, go on.
Sir, for conclusion, means dress code is better, but after age, means it's all depend on human how he will or she will take the things. Means for me,
Sanjay.
but before 18, it should be yeah.
So for according to me, that it dress code should be in colleges, because it comes that unity, and again it get rid of that what we have to wear and how we will be looking smart. So that apart from this, that student will focus on his study on.
Vinamrata.
Yes, sir. The dress code is it should be there, because like after 18 only uh, we can't decide ourselves. It is like unless until we are able to earn, we are not free to who wear whatever we want.
So there is a clause. Once we start
And the
earning, we can decide.
culture also says that there is or there always a dress code at every stage of life.
We do have dress code for like all the occasions, for marriage.
Again, it will also impact that parents earning, like it will also create that burden to them.
Yes, yes. I mean, all right, Satyam, the final words.
Yes, sir. Sir, I think dress code should be compulsory for class 12, not in college, because it seems like it's an infringement of the freedom on the student if they put the dress code on the college also. Well, it's a moral question. If you are saying that you need to wear that dress, then certainly we are curtailing the freedom of the student, freedom of the person who is in democracy. So I don't think it's a good idea. Maybe it's a matter of dispute, but I am in favor of till class 12, not in college, because it's not a good idea for any democracy.
Let's hear it from Prince. Final word.
Yeah, first of all, Sonia, I said I have not seen the discrimination on the basis of dress. There are lots of discrimination on the basis of other things, even with the diction,